Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as we can see, the Australian dollar has taken another downturn and closer now to the 60-day simple moving average around 64, 65.85. Like previously seen on 2 attempts to the downside, the market found good demand. And I do anticipate again a rebound from this level and look back towards the top side of the range. Even though the technicals have been somewhat dented due to the overnight fall, let's see if the market can bounce as the dollar index gained momentum towards 98.40. If we do see a bounce, then we're looking back up towards the region of 66 cents and reassess from there. The euro dollar took a sudden downturn and a very strong candle to the bearish case and cutting through the trend line and now puts further threat to the downside. Let's see if stops do take the market lower and look towards the bottom side of this range around 115.5 and see if we can get a bounce from there towards the bottom side of around 115.5 or maybe just a touch lower to around 115.15. We may see a bounce, but it all depends on the dollar index and see if the market can display a weaker play into today and pull back from 98.40. The dollar yen rallies further overnight and now closer towards a 148.5 to 149 target. It looks like from where I can see the momentum has increased in terms of the RSI, and therefore let's see if the market challenges this top side around 149 and we get another rejection. If so, do monitor the technicals, because if we do see a rejection, then let's see a pullback towards 146. Looking ahead to this week though, the market does face a pivotal week filled with high impact events. We've got the FOMC meeting on the 29th-30, which expects to see no change in rates at 4.25 to 4.5. And also we've got the US Q2 GDP and also the core PCE inflation and the latest non-farm payrolls. So the market will be very whipsawed given the events, so do keep an eye on trading levels just in case we see a little bit more to the extension of overrunning the target or overrunning resistance and support levels. A weaker play when it comes to sterling and now trading around 133.5. Let's see if the market takes the challenge to 133.25 and we can get a bounce. We're not too far away from the lows, somewhere around the 133 region, and if we do see a strong bounce, then we could see a move back towards 135 to 136. A weaker placing is breaking the trend for gold and now heading closer towards the level of 3,300. I do anticipate the market may find demand there as bargain hunters are likely to be lurking, and if so, could see a bounce back towards 3,360 to 80. Wrapping up with oil, a good rebound from the bottom of around 64.80 and now puts the play back to the top side, seen around 66 to $68 a barrel reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest report, and I hope you enjoyed the great start to the day.